During the early hours of this morning, 6 ringleaders have been arrested after a year-long investigation. 17 charges which ranging from dealing in illegal drugs and money laundering as well as racketeering. The suspects was nabbed after 11 identified residences was raided in Nelson Mandela Metropole. They will be appearing in court on Monday facing these charges. Their ages ranges between 28 and 54 and consist of 5 males and 1 female. This comes on the day that we are focusing on national drug awareness and emphasizes the SAPS commitment against drug trafficking and the drug trade. The organised crime unit was assisted by the TRT, Cyber Unit, Crime Intelligence, SARS, as well as the Asset Forfeiture Unit when it came to this operation. This can be regarded as a big blow to the drug trade in the Nelson Mandela Metropole, as these individuals are regarded as part of a national syndicate supplying mandrax and other drugs to our northern areas. During the 8-hour operation, a large amount of cash as well as a large amount of mandrax, cell phones, laptops, hard drives and flash drives are going to be utilized as evidence against these individuals. Witnesses confirmed that it was a fact that the hearses from the 2 funeral parlors were allegedly used as transportation of illegal drugs to dealers in and around the Nelson Mandela Metropole. By doing this, the transportation of these drugs would be mostly undeterred or undetected. To prove racketeering and money laundering, we need to establish a link between the kingpin and the evidence confiscated this morning, which included records, documents, hard drives, as well as flash drives of business transactions, which utilizes drug money or dirty money to purchase assets such as expensive cars and property, but specifically also businesses, therefore making it good money, benefiting the kingpin and the organization. For successful prosecution, the DPP will have to be convinced that the kingpin, or fish as is known, was using dirty money intentionally and knowingly to benefit from it materially by directing it into purchasing of expensive cars, property and businesses, and this was unlawful. By arresting the 6 individuals this morning, it has placed a squeeze on the availability of these illegal drugs within the Nelson Mandela Metropole and will alter the purchasing of these drugs in these areas, which will have an effect on the ongoing turf wars, which leads to further violent crimes, which will show an increase. While searching these 11 premises, it was evident that the individuals were financially well off by the expensive cars we found in the driveways and the garages.
The operation was very much successful. We started this morning at 2 o'clock. Various role players. It is a combined operation between crime intelligence and organized crime, where we started this project from the beginning just more than a year ago. This morning, the operation started here from the organized crime office in Port Elizabeth, where we solely had TRT, the dog unit, we had organized crime and crime intelligence. The affiliation with this local syndicate will be proven in terms of all the documentation with the national syndicate and where we can link them positively.